Hello guys, this is a continuation of the trade that I enter. I think, yeah, I entered this trade just this morning, and as you can see, the time is 7:14 p.m. Imagine how many hours this trade has been running. This is something many of you guys don't want to do. You just want to make your money quick, and get out of trade. This is why so many traders lose money over and over. They lose money over and over. Look at how the trade works. Let me show you something. Okay, check out. Look at how the trade. I enter the trade here, here. So what happened? Trade went up, came down, and continued going up. Look at where it is now. Look at my target here. Let me show you my target. This is my target. This is my target. This fair value gap at the top side is my target. Because what I'm expecting this market to do is to make these two place liquidity, or like this liquidity, then it will come and hit this. That is, let me check again. Okay, yeah, let me show you. This is it. So that is my target. Let me do it this way. Okay, this is my target. Yeah, so let's go there. You see, still far up, but as it is like this now, I can take my profit here, but I'm not going to take profit here. Check it out. This is the trade. If you remember, I entered this trade when I was 66 for to 0.39. So now I'm currently doing at 16796. So this is how the trade is going around. Anyway, this trade is still going to retrace. Oh, never mind, it's going to retrace. On the norms, what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to close some positions, lock my stop loss. In fact, I'm supposed to close the old positions and wait for the retracement. The retracement is going to get to somewhere within this region. Let me show you. Somewhere within this region. Yeah, this is where the retracement will get to. And it might come back, it may not come back before this market will shoot up to come down like this. It may not even come down because it has already retraced. This one alone has already retraced. We shoot up to that level. This is supposed to be at least 1 to 3. 1 to 3. If I lose one. If I win 3. So
my own opinion, I believe that we should just catch the long trend, get into the trade, and let it start running. So as you can see on this account, this account was funded with $10,000. I hit lost, hit a lot of lost before now. So I'm trying to raise this account back. So I got aggressive in trading in this account, and I hit margin in my entry. As you can see, I've entered volatility 10 index, and yes, just volatility 10 index. And first, I enter with a very small lot size, which is just five lots. I use 5, and I also use 100. When I was going aggressive, I used hundreds to hit margin on time. That was the sole purpose of using 100. So however, as you can see, I'm going down because so this morning the price was already at 24,000. I was already doing 2400 in profit. So currently now I'm down to 2000 in profit. And guess what? I know you'll be wondering, I'm going to close the trade. No, not yet. I'm not ready to close the trade yet. Let's go in and watch the trade. As you can see, this we're on the 5 minute time frame. So as you can see, first, the market is still going down. If it were to be on my PC, I would have do more of this analysis work for you. But as you can see right now, the fair value gap we have to fill has been filled, which was this particular fair value gap. Let me show you this particular one here. So it has been filled already. So if one would have intended in entering into this trade, this this place here was a good spot to enter into the trade. But as it is now, it has already hit this spot and it's going down again. So I will have to leave this trade to continue running. It will run. So let me. I know you'll be wondering, where am I going to take my profit? Let me show you. So let me show you how this trade is going. Look at where we are here. So you can see there is a huge this huge this huge candle. This candle, what am I expecting? I'm expecting the market to continue going down. This market has to continue going down. To which level? Am I going that far? No. The answer is no. I'm not going that far. This is where I'm coming. You see this level here? This is the level I'm coming. So right now I'm going to set my take profit on this level. So when the market hits that level, it's going to close me off again. So that is how we trade. But once the market hits this level, what do you think will happen? We may not really get to this level because this market is planning on going back to the upside. I'm going to try and take this trade, and I will allow this trades to run probably either for weeks or for months. And guess how much am I going to put inside? Very little amount of money. So I will let this trade continue running. I will set it up to get about it when the reversal is complete. But first, if you can understand price action, you understand that this market has already given us a sign that this market is going up. This is the sign. This is the sign. Are you seeing the sign there? So on the daily time frame. But anyway, let's watch the market and see how it goes. For my trade to continue running. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this content and you want me to be creating more content like this and how I do my analysis, please like and share this video. I have other similar video like this, but very few of them to show off. But if you really want me to go deep in explaining the reason why, the motivation behind me taking those trades, why I draw my trend line the way I draw them, why I trade the way I trade, or how I trade, how I managed to get to this level of understanding, how to set up my analysis so that it doesn't go against me. If you really want more of my video like this, please like and share.